This lesson is 3.1 in Go Math. The directions are to multiply by tens. If we look at number 1, it says to choose any method and then find the product. They chose for number 1 to use the halving and doubling strategy, which means you cut one of those in half and then you times the other one by 2. So let's look at 16. It looks like they did 16 divided by 2 equals 8. And then multiply that by 60. So 8 times 60, if you find the basic fact, 8 times 6 is what? 48, and it's 48 tenths. And then you times that by 2 or double it, and they got 960. That's one method you can do, and that totally works. Let's do number 3 and do 52 times 3 tens. Now anything times 10 has a what at the end? A 0, right? So I'm just going to put a 0 at the end and then just do 52 times 3. Okay, first go up, then go over. First go up. So 2 times 3 is what? 6. Good. And then go over. 5 times 3 is what? 15. You got it. 5. So our answer is 1,560. Good job. Let's go ahead and look at number 6. All right, here we go. So says the Hart family drove 10 hours to their vacation spot. They drove an average of 48 miles each hour. How many miles did they drive? So we're going to do 48 times 10. Now anything times 10 has a what at the end? 0. So I'll do 48 times 1. And 48 times 1 is what? 48. You got it, 48. So how many miles did they drive? They drove 480 miles. Very good. Okay, number 7 says write the steps for how to use a number line to multiply a 2-digit number by 20. Give an example. So you could actually look at your workbook page and their example for using a number line. And that will help you with number 7. Okay, you've got this. Go ahead.